Open EcDentistry App. Scroll down to all categories and find all your syllabus. Choose from the array what interests you. Consider first year for example. Here, we have conceptual animated lectures. Question bank with previous year questions sorted topic-wise. Digital notes with simple hand-drawn diagrams. And topic-wise practice tests focusing on MDS foundation. For the time being, select EcDentistry Bytes. And tap on Get for Free button given below. Go to Library. Once more, select EcDentistry Bytes. Choose your interests. Select desired topic from the list, and access the PDF for free.